why I started trading, because I've been making some video price analysis on my channel, and I really know what I'm talking about because I learned how to trade this maybe for a couple of 5 months, and I never even tried to trade. So then I keep on this challenge to trade and see how I can turn $50 to $1,000. Just going to quickly explain how I entered this trade. Right here, I come to this daily chart right here, and I have this mark D right here, and I see these lines right here have crossed into bearish momentum. Then I come to this 4 hours time frame. I see there is this 50 EMA right now is standing as a resistance, and we have this long time trend line right here, which is also standing as resistance again. So then I go to this 15-minute chart right now. Then I enter my short position. So I put my stop loss above this level. So if I'm wrong, this is just going to stop me out. And I put my take profit right here. So far, this trade I enter right now is up 12%. So that's $7, which is not really a lot, but compared to size of my account, $7 is a lot. So if I use $10,000 or $1,000 to make this trade, it's just going to be like huge amount of money. So it's better I start a little bit to master my trading and scale up. So that's what I think. And note, I'm just going to be giving you guys when I'm making loss. If I'm in loss or I make a bad trade, I'm going to update you guys. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow my journey and help the channel grow, so you can encourage me to make more good research and make good decision, and give me encourage me that yeah, you want me to make more video, or you want to learn with me in this journey. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Let me know if you are a trader or you are planning to trade. Let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you on the next video.